So, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO P101. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to Settings, and go to Display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level of the screen manually, and then we can change night light intensity, schedule it, and enable or disable it. Then we can change colors and contrast of the screen. Wallpaper. Enable or disable dark theme. Change screen timeout between 15 seconds, 30 minutes or never. Enable or disable auto rotate screen. Change font size. Display size. Set screensaver. And manage lock screen preferences like notifications on lock screen, add users from lock screen, enable lock screen message, show lockdown option, leave to check tablet, and new notifications on lock screen. And that's basically it on display for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.